Hey y'all, it's Tia from Work at Home Maiden, and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to do a really quick video on how you might be able to see if you're getting laid off. And I know that that's a very scary thing to think about. It's a very scary thing to, even like have that possibility be in your sphere, in your reality. And I'm hoping that this video can help somebody out there to prepare themselves if they happen to find that they are being laid off. Now let's start from the beginning. We're talking about WARN notices today, and I will leave this website down below like I normally do. Any resources that I find, I will put them in the description box below. Okay, so today, WARN notices. The Worker Adjustment and Retraining Notification Act helps ensure advance notice in cases of qualified plant closings and mass layoffs. And just as an aside, when they say qualifying, that means to me that some companies can get around, following this act for whatever reason. So just keep that in mind. The U.S. Department of Labor has compliance assistance materials to help workers and employers understand their rights and responsibilities under the provisions of WARN. Now, this website is a .gov. It is legit. I'm going to put it, like I said before, down below in the description box. You can come down and you can read the act yourself. You can read the regulations to see maybe if your company is one that has to follow the regulations or if it's one that might be able to fly under the radar. I encourage everyone to have a savings account with, a rainy day fund so that you guys don't get the rug pulled out from under you. With that being said, I haven't seen the actual notices on this website. So what I'm going to do, what I have done actually already, is find another website that we can go look at. This is WARN Tracker. Apparently some other trackers only track WARN notices for like tech companies and stuff like that. This website tracks more than just that. It goes across all sectors, so it casts a wider net so that we can see, more companies that might be putting out WARN notices. I'm not sure if I was clear. The WARN notices are about being laid off. These are layoff notices. Yeah, so anyway, I'm going to put this down below. You can scroll through at your leisure. It is alphabetized. You might just be able to Control F on your computer and search. There goes Google. Google, not surprised there. But anyway, you can just, see if you can find your company and, come back periodically and check. I just want you guys to be prepared. I know somebody out there, there's like a lot of people who watch this channel. Somebody out there, unfortunately, will from the company here, but it will give you time. It will give you time to get yourself together, maybe find another job, start a side hustle or something. You know what I mean? So, like I said, I hope this helps someone. I'm going to look at Google real quick. See what it looks like, if it'll open. There we go. Okay. Google follows 75 WARN layoff notices from May 2012 to March 2024. It gives you the state. It tells you how many employees were laid off in total. Then there's a breakdown that you can look at. Job title. I mean, this thing is like really organized. And it even tells you how many in each state. Anyway, like I said, you guys can look at this as your own leisure. And I'm not quite sure when they update this, but March 2024 isn't even here yet. So yeah, I hope this helps you guys. Please comment below if you found your company here. I do have a work at home Discord where I post resources from work at home jobs to ways to save money, ways to build your credit up. All of it is free. All of it is 100% free. And yeah, I'm going to stop rambling now. I hope that you guys don't find your companies, but unfortunately I know somebody out there will. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.